Good morning everyone. It is another cold morning here in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, and today we are heading towards one of the most holy mountains in the country, the legendary Adams Peak. We started our journey early in the morning, driving along the beautiful Hatton Maskeliya Road towards Nallathanna. Around 7 am, we reached the Nallathanna junction and turned left onto a narrow winding road leading to the breathtaking Moray Tea Estate. Just look at the landscapes. The tea fields spread across the mountain like a giant green carpet. Tea pluckers are already busy harvesting tender tea shoots while the cold mist slowly drifts across the hills. On our way, we pass eucalyptus patches, forest blocks, and stunning mountain scenery that truly capture the beauty of Sri Lanka's central highlands. Finally, we arrive at the far end of the Rajamale division of Moray Estate and park our vehicle near a small Hindu temple. From here, the real adventure begins. With our backpacks ready, we start walking through the tea fields for a few minutes until we reach a small junction. We take the footpath on the right hand side and continue climbing gradually uphill. After around 10 minutes, we finally reach the boundary between the tea plantation and the natural montane forest of the Peak Wilderness Sanctuary. This is the true entrance to the wild ecosystem. There is an information board placed here by the Department of Wildlife Conservation of Sri Lanka, explaining the importance of protecting this precious rainforest. Unfortunately, many pilgrims have tied branches onto the notice board as part of the traditional belief. But as nature lovers, we believe protecting the forest itself is the greatest respect we can give to the holy place. Once we enter the forest, everything changes instantly. The cool air becomes more humid. The view of the tea estate disappears, replaced by bird songs, flowing water, and the whispering winds through the trees. We stopped beside a crystal clear stream to refill our water bottles with fresh mountain water before continuing deeper into the forest.
Good morning, my dear friend. Welcome to Speedbird's Adventure channel. This is another adventure from Moray to Adams Peak. Actually, there are 6 routes to Adams Peak. One of the most popular route is Hatton-Nallathanna routes, followed by Ratnapura-Palabaddala route, then Kuruwita-Erathna route, then Rajamale route, and Dehenakanda-Mukkuwaththa route, and this is another route, Rajamale Sandagalathenna route. Today we started our journey around 8:30 from the Rajamale division of Moray Estate, and then we ascend a little bit through the mountain forest ecosystem. Actually, this is a Peak Wilderness Sanctuary, and also it's categorized as cloud forest or montane forest. While we are walking, we can observe many birds, butterflies. Most of them are endemic to Sri Lanka. So I will invite you to join with us throughout the journey. Okay, let's move.
This trail is absolutely beautiful. We can observe native montane forest plants, giant lianas, understory vegetation, moss-covered tree trunks, lichens, orchids, and ferns growing everywhere due to the humid climate. Every step feels like walking through a hidden world untouched by time. Along the trail, we meet a few Buddhist monks descending from the mountain. Unlike the main pilgrimage route, this path is quite less crowded and completely surrounded by nature. After nearly 3 hours of gradual climbing, we finally reach an open rocky plateau called Sandagalathenna. And just look at the view. For the first time today, we can clearly see Adams Peak rising above the clouds. This rocky grassland is exposed to strong winds, so only short grasses survive here. We take a short rest, enjoy the snacks, and spend time admiring the ever-changing scenery as clouds lift across the scarred mountain. After our break, we continue ascending once again through the montane forest. Now, the trees become shorter and heavily shaped by the strong mountain winds. Many tree trunks are twisted and bent, creating umbrella-shaped canopies across the tail. The climb becomes steeper and more challenging from here. After another hour of hiking, we finally connect with the famous Hatton pilgrimage route at Mahagiri Dabe. From this point onwards, we climb the well-maintained stairway leading towards the summit. As we continue higher, we are rewarded with stunning panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and forest of the Peak Wilderness Sanctuary. On the way, we also observe an ancient footpath revealed inside the jungle after landslides caused during the Ditwa cyclone period in November 2025. It is incredible evidence showing the people have been climbing this holy mountain through these forests for many decades, perhaps even centuries. Finally, nearly 5 hours of hiking from Moray Estate, we successfully reached the summit of Adams Peak. Standing here among thousands of pilgrims, surrounded by clouds and mountains, truly feels unforgettable. This is not just a hike, it is a spiritual journey through nature, history and culture. If you enjoy this adventure, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Speedbird's Adventures for more journeys across the landscape of Sri Lanka. Thank you very much.